I went to undergrad in Missouri, and I got a degree in TV production, which is obviously where everybody starts in being a judge. I graduated with a degree in TV production with an associate minor in advertising, and went to work for a local TV station while I was in college, went to work for the Utah Jazz indirectly after I graduated from college, and after I had carried cables and wires to the top of the Delta Center for 12-hour days, I decided that maybe I would look into going into sports and entertainment law. Went to law school with that in mind, and then realized that that wasn't my path. And after volunteering at legal services out in Utah, I started at Georgia State and met Professor Radford and ended up being a staff attorney for my predecessor, Judge David Dott, and went out and practiced for about 7 years, and then I got elected. Helping people. There are a lot of people who say other courts are the emergency rooms of the court system. I say that the probate court is, because we see people who have done nothing. They've not failed to pay their rent, they've not gotten a speeding ticket, they've done nothing other than be related to someone who's either passed away or is in crisis. And our job gives us the opportunity to try and give them some closure and to give them hopefully some help. One of the things that I do as a normal part of some of our guardianships is I ask parents who are getting guardianships of their turning 18-year-old children what it is that is their favorite thing about their child, because the court system so often focuses on the negatives, to allow them under oath to sit on the stand and in front of a courtroom full of people say that it's their smile or their laugh or their music. Often brings them to tears to just be able to say something kind about their child. And that moment means everything to me, and I know it means a lot to them. Compassion. I think that there are so many well-meaning members of the judicial branch, down to clerks and intake clerks and staff attorneys and judges, who all are trying to do the best that they can. Sometimes it comes across as detached and cold, and virtually none of the judges I know are detached and cold. They're actually incredibly emotionally invested in making things work, and I just want that to come across to the litigants and the participants, and I want the attorneys to be considerate of each other and their clients and the process, and likewise, I think that mutual respect and compassion is incredibly important. I'm reading the Federalist Papers, Becoming by Michelle Obama, and Lean In, and I am also, because I have a 9-year-old, knee deep in Dork Diaries.